Palm Island in Dubai. The Palm Island in Dubai. The Palm Island, or Palm Jumeirah Island as it is known, is part of a large artificial archipelago project. The Palm Island in Dubai. The Palm Island, or Palm Jumeirah Island as it is known, is part of a large artificial archipelago project. The construction of Palm Jumeirah Island began in the middle of 2001 AD, and the first housing units were delivered about 5 years later. In early October 2007, the Palm Jumeirah was internationally recognized as one of the largest artificial islands in the world. The Palm Island in Dubai is one of the most important tourist destinations in the Emirates at all, especially in the unique city of Dubai. By the end of 2009, many tourist facilities and resorts were opened that helped raise the status of the island and raise its global fame until it became one of the most important tourist attractions when traveling to Dubai. The Palm Island in Dubai, UAE. Activities you can do. You and your family can enjoy an exploration tour of the Palm Island and other major Dubai attractions on the open double-decker buses. Bus tour of the Palm Island. You can also enjoy taking some exciting aerial photos of the island on a tour of about 30 minutes on board a helicopter that can accommodate 5 passengers. Helicopter tour over the Palm Island. If you are a fan of excitement and adventure, you must go through the paragliding experience in Dubai, which will give you an opportunity to swim in the sky of the island. Parachute jumping in the sky over the Palm Island. You can also enjoy a unique cruise around the island and within the waters of its beaches, on board a speedboat or yacht. Cruise on the Palm Island. Do not forget to visit the famous Atlantis Resort, which enjoys its wonderful sandy beaches, and will give you the opportunity to take stunning panoramic pictures of the Gulf and the Palm Island. Atlantis on the Palm Island. You can also visit Aquaventure Park, which includes several exciting water games, and enjoy a tour of the Lost Chambers Aquarium's underwater lanes. The beaches of Palm Island offer many water sports that you can take advantage of, from swimming to paddle boarding. The Palm Island, Dubai. The island includes a number of cafes and restaurants where you can have a delicious meal in a great atmosphere, the most famous of which are Fairmont Club, Pier 7, and Mina Club. Palm Island in Dubai. Of course, you can enjoy a walking tour of the Jumeirah Walk, which connects the Palm Island to Dubai Marina, and includes many shopping centers. The Palm Island in Dubai. Hotels near Dubai's Palm Island. Atlantis. The Palm Hotel and Resort is one of the best 5-star hotels in Dubai with great reviews, located on the Palm Island in Dubai.